Hello everybody, Namaste. I'm here to share with you my journey into healing and introduce my healing practice and my healing technique. I call my healing technique Connective Healing. I started my journey in about 2001. I've always wanted to do healing. So I started with Reiki and it just didn't want to gel with me. I didn't find it working. And specifically, this is important for the reason of Connective Healing, is I couldn't feel like I could take responsibility for whether the person heals or not. And I know you shouldn't and you can't. But I felt like the ego was too involved with the healing. So I just walked away. I continued with practices like for my own development and release was family constellations, emotional freedom technique. Well, really, I was hungry. Anything I could get my hands on. Somebody introduced me to quantum touch. That was absolutely amazing. Shifted the way I use my hands. And of course, I've always loved Qigong. And the practice of Qigong, the idea of shifting energy through your hands and through. And then my love started growing for channeling, to want to be able to bring information through that I am not privy to. A fellow teacher friend, she was teaching me how to channel, and she gave me a book, 50 Years of a Medium. After reading this book, and this book was, this lady was channeling Red Cloud in the 1930s. And after reading the book, I said to my friend, I don't think Red Cloud has left. She said, I wouldn't be surprised. Then it just started coming to fruition that I would move my hands around and not know where I need to take them, but know where they need to be taken. And I practiced letting go, surrendering and allowing, and just all the channeling teaches you. And then the healing technique started happening in that way. And I absolutely love it because one thing when Red Cloud then said to me, no, we're going to do this. And I said to him, but I don't want to. I'm not going to take responsibility for whether people heal or not. And I can't take that responsibility. He said, but you don't. You leave it up to spirit. You leave it up. And then after another 2 years or so, I was introduced to Theta healing. And that just took everything to a new level. Because you really don't take responsibility for anybody else, and even for yourself and what you're doing in that moment of healing. And just opening to the most amazing, beautiful space of spirit and allowing the love and the unconditional love from source and from spirit to come through and to be channeled into the moment and allow the healing to take place, and connecting to the innate ability of this human psyche and physical body and this magnificent intelligence that we are and that we are connected to. So in my healings, we can do many things: physical healing, emotional healing, releasing blockages, releasing limiting beliefs, taking you up to meet yourself, your true self, to touch on your essence, and to draw wisdom from your essence into this moment, to look into the past and to resolve the past, and to awaken to the moment of pure consciousness now. And yeah, it sounds amazing, but it is always a process. It sounds magical. It is magical, but it is always a process. I would love you to join me. We can do healings with me online. You can do healings with me in my healing space. Yeah. May love be with you. Namaste.